Hello viewers, if you have a tight budget and you want a smartphone around 8000 rupees, then this video is for you. Today I am going to unbox and give you first-hand information of Redmi 9 smartphone that I have purchased from Amazon.in at a price point of rupees 8000. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Thank you. Redmi 9 smartphone is another device from Redmi at a price bracket of 8500 rupees. Inside the box you can find the phone itself, then there is USB to micro USB data cable, then the charging brick, then the SIM ejector tool. Inside that you can find the user manual. On the smartphone you can see there is a film applied MIUI 12 logo. The back of this smartphone is plastic and there is a texture. On the front you can find 8 megapixel front camera. To the right side there is power button and volume rocker. At the bottom you can find speaker grill, micro USB port and a tiny microphone hole. At the back you can find fingerprint sensor. Then there is two cameras, Redmi branding. On the top of the device you can find 3.5 mm jack. Left you can find SIM ejector slot. This is 6.53 inches HD plus IPS display with a resolution of 1600:720p. The display is very good quality, as you can see. Let me change the wallpaper so that you can judge the quality of the screen. Though it is a HD quality screen, it is a very good quality considering the price point of this device. At the back you can find there are two cameras. The main camera is of 13 megapixel and there is a secondary camera of 2 megapixel. The camera quality is also very good, as you can see in this photo. Front camera is of 8 megapixel. I will show you by clicking a photo how the quality is. You can judge by yourself. Quality is above average considering it is only 8 megapixels. I have included some sample shots along with this so that you can judge the quality of the back camera and also the close shots and some low light shots for your considerations. I have also included a video samples. The video is not stabilized. There is a shaky movement. In the battery section, the battery is of 5000 mAh. It will last around 2 days for normal users and 1.5 days for heavy users. You will get only 10 watt charging adapter along with this device with micro USB port. There is no type C. Now coming to the software, this device comes along with Android 10 and MIUI 12.07 and the security level is 1st January 2021. Now I will give you a sound test so that you can judge the sound quality. If you wait for offer, you can get this device at a price point of 7650 rupees, and at that price this device is a steal. So stay tuned for the offer.